Hello, and welcome to the Darby Creek Diaries. I'm Gail Thompson, and I just got back from Simon Says Create 2023. We hadn't had one in 4 years, and it was great to go back and see people that I hadn't seen in a long time and meet loads of new people and learn lots of fun things, see new products. I am going to get back to the tutorials, I promise you. If that's what you prefer to watch. I just happened to get to go to these things just 2 in a row. I also need to get back to the Creativation. I have some things I want to share there too, and some giveaways. So let's go take a quick dive into Simon Says Create. We'll take a deeper dive into the the create intakes and the classes in another video.
Good morning, Gail from Darby Creek Diaries, and all of you. We're here at Simon Says Create, stamping and making all day long. You'll see lots of brands like Gina K Designs for sale in our on-store physical shop. We only get to do this once every few years, and it's so good to be here in person again.
And there is the owner on the left, Heidi. Hello, all.
Yeah, like I said before.
I'm going to try to go without the gimbal because I don't really know how to use it.
That card that you see with the little gift cards. Yeah, they're cute. And then
There's Nita Trapani.
Every table will have something different tomorrow. Yes. Yes, so nice to meet you.
Sizzix booth.
Yes. You are coming out with so many cards. I hope you're
There are a few make and takes here, but mostly it's not started yet. But you have to jockey for positions. It's like playing musical chairs. All right. This is Trinity Stamps. And this is Riley and Company. I'm telling you, I'm not going to do any make and takes with you because it's like jockeying, I'm telling you. And this is the Gina K booth. And this is Ranger, giving us a lesson in shaking the paints. Concord and Ninth.
And then the class I had the first day was Paula Cheney, and here are some pictures. I couldn't video the class, obviously, but there's Paula there on the left, and we all enjoyed the class a bunch. It went really fast, and we were all really quiet because we were trying to keep up. Paula's a real taskmaster. She wanted us to have a finished product by the time we were done, and we did. And we had loads of extra things for other projects. I'm going to go into the project in another video along with a lot of make and takes and things. Since it was pretty crowded and make and take spots were at a premium, I didn't take any videos hardly at all. I squeezed a couple in, but after that, I just didn't want to, bother these poor people. They were frantically trying to get a lot of people through. So here are the ones that I did capture. And in another video, I will show you all the cards from the vendors that I did get to do make and takes with.
Well, I'm back in the make and take and store, and it is an absolute madhouse. We did have a wonderful class with Paula Cheney, and we made a really cute box with lots of little ephemera in it. And then here's my friend Melissa. Hello, she lives in Grove City, so she's close. So am I. That's kind of why we're just lucky to be here. What's the newest and coolest thing of Pink and Main?
It's the Pink and Main Mink Machine. That's what it is. It's the automatic foil machine that takes in. We've got 30 foil colors. We're making awesome make and takes today, showing all the different things you can do with foil and a whole bunch of other stuff. Oh yeah, we've got colored foilables. This is toner sheets in color. We've got tons of toner sheets with all different designs and sayings and things like that, and we're showing everybody how to use it.
There's my friend Ava on the right. Hello. And Melanie, how you doing?
This is Maria at Kitchen Sink Stamps, and we're here at Create with Simon Says Stamps 2023, and we're making this make and take today.
They got smart and started taking numbers. I'm at Waffle Flower. Just trying to give you an idea of the other. That's Newton's Nook over there. I've done a couple of make and takes, and you would think that the crowd would die down, but it did not. This is the Hero Arts.
And this circle goes inside of the sun. So sun, flag, and the cloud. And I have the cloud upside down. Kind of looks cute to me. Okay.
And last but certainly not least, Gina Kay and Jennifer McGuire's class. It was super fun. Here we are getting everything prepared. We weren't allowed to look in our bags and boxes, and it was killing us all. But had a great time. They just couldn't be nicer folks and funny. They're darling. And I'm just going to make some scenes around the room, and perhaps you might see someone you know.
All right, so this class today is with the lovely Jennifer McGuire and Gina Kay over here. They're very good friends of mine.
I hope you enjoyed this quick peek at Simon Says Create 23. If you look in my blog, the DarbyCreekDiaries.com, you'll see from past ones. I've been going every year. I'll also link the video to the one in 2019. Sound isn't great, but I'll put it in the description box below, and just understand I'm always trying to get better. I hope you had fun. You'll follow me, like, subscribe, come back and see me. Until then, here are some more videos to look at. You have a fabulous week. Bye-bye.